Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. So I've been crafting a while now, and I mostly center on making handmade cards, and I love that. It's taken me a while to try to figure out what is my favorite way to create cards. I've tried coloring and of course die cutting and just using paper as just the main focus of the card. So I've kind of gotten away from coloring. I'm not a very good colorist. I've tried, and so that's not my thing. So I don't do that often. But I love die cutting, and I've noticed that recently on my channel, I've been sharing a lot of cards that I've made using, majority of them are Spellbinders dies. I love Spellbinders dies. I have tons of them. I have more dies than videos that I've made using them. So yeah, there will still be Spellbinders dies cards that, I use Spellbinders dies. So not going to stop doing that. But I kind of went back to one of my favorite things is just using pattern paper. So I wanted to share some cards with you today that there's no dies involved, only pattern paper. So I came across this Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Essential Color Palette Collection, and I love it. I don't have but one page to share with you, and a partial page, because I only ordered individual sheets, and then I used those in creating the cards that I'm going to share. But I will share with you one page that I still have, and this is the Simple Vintage Essential Color Palette Orange Collage. And I'm pretty sure you've seen some other crafters share their hauls showing this paper. It is just simply gorgeous. And it has all these really pretty elements that can be used for card making. So here's the orange one. And then on the flip side of each paper, there is a gingham print, which, is just yelling spring to me. So I love this orange. I have a little bit of the green to share with you that I didn't use. So here's the green side and just a few of the elements on that green paper. So let's get to the cards. So the first set, or the first card, is using the color palette, and it's the black. So this one is the black. So here it goes. And then I used this waffle flower sub-sentiment die cut. So this is, I didn't cut this, they did. It's just a little, let me see if I have it to show you. I thought I had it up here. My desk is sort of messy. Here they are. So they come in a little packet like this, and this one is the big thing. So I got a couple of these, and they just pop out. So already ready for you, and I just added it to this card. So here is the black collage, and then I used some of my cardstock that I have in my stash, and this is from Joanne, and it's the basil paper, and it's purple. Super cute. And then the next one is the green collage. And this one I used a little bit of a Spellbinders glazing glue on the stamp image here, and then the sequins are smooth discs, and I'm not sure where I purchased those from, maybe Spellbinders, but I thought it was really pretty. And I kind of fussy cut this edging out of this piece. I fussy cut the pear and the leaves and the flower and the butterfly and this, and just kind of made it a collage card with no sentiment I didn't think was needed. It can be used for birthday or just saying hello or get well, anything. So this is the green. And then next up is the purple collage, and I have two cards to share with you for that one. And here's the first one. Super pretty. And these are Spellbinders Color Essential Gems. And like I said, I just fussy cut elements from the page and then layered it with the gingham and then the plaid. I said, is it gingham or plaid? I can't remember now. And this is the paper from my stash, basil. Layered it on a purple sheet. So I thought that one was pretty. And here's this one. Now this one was super simple because I cut out the big element and then I just fussy cut one of the butterflies and layered it using some Spellbinders little layer foam squares. And then this also has the Color Essential Gems. So this one turned out really cute too. The next one is the pink collage. So here's this cute little one. Isn't that adorable? And once again, I used some of the Spellbinders glazing glue on this little button here. And then I used some Pink Fresh Studio Gems. And like I said, this was super simple because I just had to fussy cut the butterfly. And then this tag. The tag may be part of this square. Yeah, the tag is part of this square. I'm sorry, and I just left it on there. But isn't that cute? And I believed I used my deco cutter. I think that's what it's called. I'm not very knowledgeable about my supplies today. And then I made this pink one. And then this is the glazing glue I put on top of each of the little square circles, if you can tell. Super cute. And then this is just, I made a brad in here and just put some twine from my stash. So this little tag, it has some lines here for like you can journal, but I didn't want to do that. And so I just put this piece, fussy cut this piece out and put it over it. I think it turned out okay. Really cute pink one, and I love this bird. And he was pretty easy to fussy cut too. And the next one is the blue collection, or blue collage. And here's this one. For this one, I used some Teresa Collins Signature Essential Gems. Been having them forever. I think I'm finally running low. And I just made a tag and used some twine and put is that called a brad? I'm not sure if that's a brad or not. When you put that on there. And so once again, I fussy cut the butterfly, and then I glued him on the tag, or her, I don't know, on the tag. And I think I used my black Sharpie to go around the butterfly because it kind of had a little bit of a white edge that I didn't want showing. So here's the blue collage. I have one more blue. Here's this one. Once again, when you use the larger images, you know, they take up way more of the cards, so you don't have to do as much fussy cutting. And on the inside, I'll be using this little flag. I haven't stamped, you know, a sentiment on the inside, but I'll be using this little flag on the inside. That's why I have it in there. And so on the butterfly, I use some Lawn Fawn Sprinkle Glaze. Comes in a really little bottle. I'll show it to you. I don't know if you've ever used this, but here it is. It's the Lawn Fawn Sprinkle Glaze, and it comes out really chunky because it has glitter in it, I think. Yeah. And you kind of have to spread it around a lot to cover an image like this. And then I use some, I don't know, these gems are just from my stash. But once again, I think this turned out really pretty. Layered it on the white basil paper. Really pretty. And then, let's see, I have the orange collage. And here's this card. Super pretty. And I just cut out several of the elements. And then I went around this with an orange pen. And I think when I used the glue on this, because I used a little bit of foam, a little foam square, it kind of made a, you know, you can kind of see it if you turn it a certain way. I don't know if it's catching on camera, but I have to be careful about using the glue on the foam. And I like this cut apart, or whatever you want to call it, because it has Lyric Theater there. And years ago, where I used to live in Oklahoma City, there used to be a Lyric Theater. So I thought that was pretty special. And then I used some gems from my stash. So let me know what you think of the cards. Here's the orange collage, the blue collage, pink collage. Look at that pretty rose. Purple. And then the green. Oh, and then the black. Green. And then the black. So which one is your favorite? I'd have to say probably my favorite would be this pink one with the rose. I'm not a big giant fan of pink roses, but I thought this was so very lovely. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel, who just watch my videos. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.